And this is the last one that I'm filming right now, probably. Who knows? Yeah, Lobivia Sylvia. Really nice flower. Beautiful petals, beautiful color. I pollinated both of these with my Cactus hybrid. Lots of potential here. Wish I had more time to record it, but I'm being grilled in the greenhouse here. And yeah, but I'm inside because the flowers open nicer that way. But now I need to take a break. I'm completely destroyed. I pollinated all day. In between, I packed in the office. I packed book orders and seed orders. So now it's time